In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art image. This is how the mesh looks like, and I have used a default cube with 2 array modifiers. This abstract art was created to give an impression to the viewer. The top middle part of each cube had unique elevations. Let's create a cube. Go to Edit Mode, and type 3 to face select. I'll select the top face, and type I as in India to extrude inward. Let's add 2 array modifiers. I'll apply both modifiers. We need to make sure the top middle part of the faces are selected, and type P to separate them. Select the separated faces, go to Edit Mode, type A to select all, and type P to separate by loose parts. In Object Mode, type M to put them into a new collection. Let's randomize transform for all of the separated faces. The idea is to move them below the top faces of the cubes like this. I'll show you the plane-based lighting, environment lighting, and composite node details. I have used a scaled plane as a light object to give a linear glow to certain spots on the mesh. Since the material for the cube is metallic, only the inner region will mostly glow in purple. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.